Hi students, our next chapter is multiples and factors. Before starting the topic multiples, let us remember the rules of divisibility tests. Do you remember that? Here, one question for you. 1425 is divisible by 2, 5 and 10. Is this divisible by 2? No. Why? Its units place digit is 5. So, it is not an even number. If the units place digit is 0 or even numbers, then only it will be divided by 2. But here the units place digit is 5, so it is not divisible by 2. We can write here 2, no. Then, is this divisible by 5? Yes, its units place digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. What is the divisibility test of 5? If the units place digit is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Here the units place digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. We can write 5. Yes, it is divisible. Then, is this divisible by 10? No. What is the divisibility test of 10? If the units place digit is 0, then only it is divisible by 10. So, we can write here 10. No. Clear? Then, 23,421 is divisible by 3. What is the divisibility test of 3? If the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Here sum of the digit equals 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. Sum of the digit equals or digit sum equals 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So, it is the number 23,421 is divisible by 3. So, we can write here 3. Yes. Is this divisible by 6? What is divisibility test of 6? If the given number is divisible by 3 and 2, then that number is divisible by 6. This number is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 2 because its units place digit is 1. Clear? So, this is not divisible by 6. So, we can write here 6. No. Then what about 9? Is this divisible by 9? The sum of the digit is 12. 12 is not divisible by 9. So, it is not divisible by 9. So, we can write 9. No. Okay. Next is short division method. Divide by short division method. First one is 412 divided by 4. How do we divide? Same as actual division. Here in 4, how much 4s are there? 1. 1 4s are 4. Then in 1, how much 4? 0. 0 4. Then here 1 carry over. In 12, how much 4s? 3 4s are 12. Clear? This is short division method. Then in 3, second question. In 3, how much 7s? 0. Then take next number 31. In 31, how much 7s are there? 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35. So 4 7s. 4 7s are 28. Then 31 minus 28, 3. So this 2 become 32. 3 is carry over. This 2 become 32. In 32, how much 7s are there? 4 7s are there. 4 7s are 28. Carry over 4. Then this 9 become 49. Because here carry over 4. In 49, how much 7s? 7 7s are 49. Okay. Next topic is multiples. What are the multiples? Listen. The numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. are called natural numbers. Natural numbers. Or counting numbers. Natural numbers or counting numbers. Then when we multiply any number with the counting numbers, we will get the multiples of that number. Example, multiples of 3 equals 3 into 1 equals 3, 3 into 2 equals 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, etc. Clear? Then the multiples of 4, 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, etc. Clear? Look here. These are the multiples. Here, look here, this 12. This 12 is called common multiple. Common multiple. Common multiple equals 12. Clear? Listen children, do you know the first 7 multiples of 4? Multiples of 4 equal 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28. Okay, these are the first 7 multiples of 4. Then, which are the first 7 multiples of 8? Tell me. 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48, 7 8s are 56. These are the first 7 multiples of 8. Which are the common multiples here? Here 8. 8 is a common multiple. And 24 is also common multiple here. Okay. Then 16 also. 16 also common multiple. So 8, 16, 24 are common multiples. We can write common multiples. Common multiples equals 8, 16, 24 are the common multiples. Which is the lowest common multiples? Lowest common multiple is 8. We can write lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple is equals 8. Okay. The short form of lowest common multiple is LCM. LCM equals 8. Understood? Next is properties of multiples. First property, every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. Multiple of 3 starts from 1 3s are 3 and multiples of 4 start from 4. So every number is a multiple of itself. That is the first property. Every number is a multiple of itself. Itself. Okay. Then every number is a multiple of 1. Multiple of 1. The table of 1 is 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, etc. So every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. Second property. Every number is a multiple of 1. Okay. Next property is all multiples of a number are greater than or equal to the number itself. See, which are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. All multiples of 3 are greater than or equal to 3. Clear? The multiples of 4 are 1 fours are 4, 8, 12, etc. All multiples are greater than or equal to 4. All multiples of a number are greater than or equal to the number itself. Okay. Then exception case is 0. Exception is 0, which is multiple of every number. Then next property, there are countless multiple of a number. Infinite number of multiples. Every number has infinite number of multiples. That is the last property. Okay. Next, one example. List the first 6 multiples of 8 and 12. Circle the common multiples and find out the lowest common multiple. Here, first 6 multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 equals 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48. Then multiples of 12. 24, 36, 48, 60, then 72. Here common multiples. 24 is common. Then 48 is common. Okay. Then which is the common multiples? 24 and 48. Lowest common multiple LCM equals 24. Clear? Next question. Check whether 1278 is a multiple of 9. Here we have to check 1278 is a multiple of 9. If 1278 is a multiple of 9, it must be divisible by 9. So here we have to check 1278 is divisible by 9 or not. So what is the divisibility test of 9? The sum of the digit is divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 9. Here sum of the digit equals 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. 18 is divisible by 9. 18 is divisible by 9. Hence 1278 is divisible by 9. Therefore 1278 is divisible by 9. Clear? So 1278 is a multiple of 9. Clear? Next example is very easy question. List the multiples of 7 between 40 and 50. We know the table of 7. Here 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 7s are 49. And 7 8s are 56. It is above 50. We have to find the list the multiples of 7 between 40 and 50. So 42 and 49 are the multiples between 40 and 50. Okay.